Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonah Hamilton. Thank you guys for watching. Some of you guys may know me as Muscle Man Jonah. Um, Today's topic of discussion is going to be about how I got into investing, or more so how I got into trading. And yeah, so I'll take you back to when it started. This was about 20. This was when the pandemic happened. Actually, I I just came across it, and I came across trading, forex trading, and I seen people making tons of money. And then somehow, I don't know how, I came across this group called IML, iMarkets Live, and they were a forex trading group, and they were two parts. One, it was recruiting, so they would get people to join up underneath their platform, and every person that you recruited, you would get paid by the company for that person. And then there was the educational side, which is when they had the forex. They broke down all the forex stuff that you need to know about it, like all the basics. They had it in different categories, so it's from like basic, intermediate to advanced levels, and they would break everything down. Start from the beginning, like what is forex, how did it come in to be about. They would really like tell you everything that you really needed to know about it. So yeah, that company really helped a lot, in just getting a basic understanding of what forex is, and what trading is. And I was kind of not addicted to that lifestyle, but it's hard. Like once you see people make that type of money, it's hard to think like, oh, do I really want to work a 9 to 5? If I see somebody making, you know, 10K in 1 month versus me working to get that in like 2 3 months, and I'm like, damn, this shit is crazy. So yeah, I joined up with that company on Markets Live. I had a good support network in that group, people that were really dedicated and that were like focused, that really were like locked in at the time. And yeah, so that company ended up actually going down, but I'm not gonna lie, I did learn a lot off of that platform. Like a lot of them companies get bad reps because most people, they just sign people up and then they don't take advantage of the knowledge, and then they don't learn how to trade, so they just lose money, and then they're like, oh, I got scammed. And it's like, you just didn't take advantage of the opportunity that was presented before you. And that's the hard part, is realizing that we have access to knowledge. It's just we got to be willing to do the work. And yeah, that was kind of what sorry, not interest, that was kind of what opened the door for me about forex trading. And then kind of everything else kind of fell after I learned about forex trading. Then I learned about uh, binary options trading. um, then I learned about I recently a few months ago, I learned about futures trading, and that has kind of like changed my whole perspective on investing and trading, for because it's crazy. But yeah, so that's kind of how I got into investing. And I definitely push investing on all my family and friends, just because I know the power that it can do and how it could really change your life. Like there's people that go to school for 10 years that end up in debt for hundreds of $1,000s, that still have to rely on somebody to work a job, when with trading, it's a skill that you can learn, and you can be in control of where you go. You can be in control of what of your time, where you're going, what you're doing, because you're in control of how much money you're making. And it's like, once you control that aspect of your life, then you're free in a way that a lot of people aren't. And that's a freedom that I want to have in this lifetime. I don't want to be restricted by jobs because I got to go pay my rent, so I got to go to work, or I got to pay my car note, or I got to you know hit perfect attendance so that I don't get fired or some shit like that. Because that's crazy. But yeah, I definitely it's definitely a lot ups and down, because you could lose a lot of money or you can make a lot of money. And the thing about trading is, you don't really make a lot of money until you're consistent for a long time, and then, sorry, not a long time, for a good amount of time, and then even after that, you're not consistent. I mean, you're not really like doing it until you're profitable, consistently profitable. That's the main goal for every trader, to be consistently profitable. So it's like, even when you're profitable, there's still like another step to get to what you really want to get to. And yeah, so that's kind of how I got into trading and investing. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna post more up-to-date videos about like what I invest in, what I trade, how I trade, what I look for my entries, for my exits. I'll be posting like more of that stuff along with fitness and finance, because I want us to get our minds right and our money right, because you know the vibe. But yeah, that's kind of how I got into investing. If you guys have any questions or any comments, I will be posting more like trading stuff too. Hope you guys don't mind. Uh, oh well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Peace.